So now we'll start up with one of the three-phase experiment, that is determination of line and phase quantities of a three-phase load. So our load can be connected in either star form or delta form. So one care that we need to take in this experiment is whenever we are operating in this three-phase kit, we should take care that we are not wearing any kind of wristwatches or any bracelets, etc. Try to keep them aside, so that it will not come in contact with the conducting terminals. So now first briefly I will say about what all components we are having. So to start up with, we are having over here 4-pole MCB, R, Y, B and Newton. So this is a this is a three-phase variac. So as we can see over here, R, Y, B, neutral. This set is indicating the input side, and then this R, Y, B, neutral. This set is indicating the output side. So by holding the wiper terminal, I can adjust the three-phase voltage. Then coming down to this particular three-phase load, now here I am having, as we can read over here, it is nothing but loading rheostat three-phase 450 volt 5 amps 5 steps star bar delta. It means what he has done over here is he has given three separate coils, coil for R phase, Y phase and B phase. So we can connect this load either in star or in delta. So whenever I put one step, it offers a loading of 1 ampere. It offers loading of 1 ampere. Now on the kit we are having 2 voltmeters, 2 ammeters. Okay, these are the LED indicators to indicate the supply has come onto this particular kit. So these LEDs will go on only when I make the MCB on. So once again, this is 4-pole MCB. So here I need to remember that load bank I need to connect externally from this particular three-phase load bank to these terminals separately. So now I will give the inputs how to connect the load in star and in delta first. So first I will say about the star connection. To make the star connection as we have drawn in the circuits and the classes, so I can simply say that to make it star connection, I need to just short R dash with the Y dash, B dash with the Y dash. So I need to short R dash with the Y dash, and then next B dash with the Y dash, B dash with the Y dash. So this connection indicates it is a star connected system. So these three terminals are the R terminal, Y terminal, B terminal of a star connected load. Then to show how to connect it into a delta form. So what to do? R dash should be connected to Y, R dash should be connected to Y, then next Y dash should be connected to B, Y dash should be connected to B, then next I can connect, or I should connect B dash to R. So now my load is delta connected. Now my load is delta connected. So this is how I need to make the delta connection. R dash to Y, Y dash to B, B dash back to R. Okay. So now, once if we understand how to connect the load in star and delta, one thing that we need to remember, when we want to connect this load to this load bank, we need not worry about much things. Directly, since here also we are having the same 6 terminals, to R, to Y, to B, they are indicating R, R dash, Y, Y dash, B, B dash. So what we should do is, we should just connect upper 3 terminals R by B to upper 3 terminals of the load bank. Upper 3 terminals of the load bank. The lower 3 terminals should be connected to the lower 3 terminals of the load bank. Here I would like to give one suggestion. Instead of connecting all at same terminals, on the kit he has given terminals on the side as well. So what we can connect internally, this upper R by B is shorted with this upper R by B. and this lower R by B is shorted with the lower R by B. So you connect the terminals coming from the load over here, R by B, upper terminal of this R by B from the upper terminal of this load bank. Similarly, lower terminals of this R by B should be connected to the lower terminals of the load bank. Now, we will make the circuit connection. Okay, I will start the circuit. So, while making the circuit connection, first we will provide this input R by B from the terminals to our three-phase auto transformer. So for you people, to make it very simple, the end connections are connected with the three different insulated color tapes R by B. So you people need to just cross verify whether on the terminals you are having proper color coded terminals connected or not. So you can see R to R, Y to Y, B to B. So this is my input side. So I need to connect this to the terminals here. Then Y to Y, B to B, we are finding some difficulty with that terminal, we have connected these input terminals R by B to the input terminals over here, R to R, Y to Y, B to B, and neutral is connected to the neutral of this particular three-phase variant. Okay. Now one thing you remember, don't connect these output terminals of your three-phase variant first to your kit. First make all your circuit connections, then you connect your three-phase variant. Okay, so we'll make the circuit connections now. One end of your, so we're making this circuit for a star connected load. One end of your R phase need to be connected to one end of your ammeter, that is IL. Okay, then next other end of your ammeter should be connected to the R phase. Should be connected to the R phase. Then next B should be connected to B directly. B should be connected to B directly. Then next I need to connect Y terminal, that is one end of the Y, one end of the Y is connected to one end of the ammeter, is connected to one end of the ammeter, then other end of the ammeter should be connected to one end of the Y. Okay, since we know that the load should be in the star form, now I need to short R dash with the Y dash. Okay, then next B dash with the Y dash. Okay, then next I need to just connect the voltmeters. So what about the voltmeters now? One voltmeter should be between R and Y phase. So one voltmeter has to be between R phase and Y phase. Then next one more voltmeter should be connected between R phase and neutral. Between R phase and neutral. Okay, R phase and neutral. Now I need to connect the loads from this load bank to this kit. So now I'll hold the upper terminal. So these wires are indicating these all three coming from upper terminal. As we can see, there is insulated tape over here for R phase, Y phase and B phase. So directly upon this insulated tape I can identify which I should connect it where. So as I said people in the previous section that I need to connect this to the upper terminal of the R phase on the side terminals available here, Y to Y, then B to B, okay. Then I need to connect these lower terminals to the lower end of the kit. R to R, that's R dash to R dash, Y dash to Y dash, B dash to B dash. Okay. Now load is also connected. Now I need to connect my supply terminals to the kit. So now I will be connecting the three phases, R phase to R phase, then Y phase to Y phase, then B phase to B phase, then next neutral to neutral. Neutral to neutral. Okay. Now before starting this particular supply to this kit, I need to check my variac is in 0 position and all the switches should be in the off state. All the switches should be in the off state. Now I'll switch on this 4-pole single MCB. Then I'll switch on the power supply to the kit. Okay, so that will get, since these all meters are running on a single phase supply, externally to be applied. Okay. Then next, now I need to make this MCB on. Okay. With the help of this variac, now I need to apply 415 volts. So you can see over here, this voltmeter is indicating the voltage. I should see VL, the line voltage. Okay. So now, with the help of this three-phase auto transformer, I have applied a potential of 415 volts. Okay. Now, since it's a star connected system, we are finding that our V phase is found as rotations in case of your line voltage. Now, we'll just apply one load. The terminals come out. Okay. Now we'll apply the load. Now we can see that since the load is star connected, we are finding both IL is same as that of I phase, and we are having some fraction of Vp as the VL. So I need to apply some 3 loads. Okay. Then in all 3 cases, you should note down the value of VL, Vp, IL and IP. Okay. Then once again I should decrease my load. Okay. Then with the help of this 3-phase auto transformer, make this voltage 0. Okay. Then switch off this 4-pole signal for MCB. Then this 4-pole signal. That's it.